Hello my friend, welcome to my channel Technoholic Pro. My friend, today I'll show you how you can remove photo background in just single click. But wait, I am not going to use remove.bg because my friend, remove.bg will not give you HD quality or the high definition, a good quality picture. Okay, it will not give. Remove.bg will not give you the HD quality. But remember, if you follow some tricky thing with remove.bg, recently it is not working. Okay, so in that case you have to pay. Okay, you have to give some money to remove.bg. The solution that I am going to provide you. So my friend, I will remove the background of these two pictures in just single click. Yes, but my friend, do not skip this video because the application that I'll be using, that also give you the watermark. Yes, so at the end of the video I will tell you how you can remove that watermark. Okay, so do not skip. Well, now this is the software called Photo Room, but remember, do not skip, because if you skip you get the watermark in your HD quality output. Okay, some photo room, that particular word, these two words will be there in your picture, so obviously you do not want, right? So I'll tell you how to remove that. There is one very simple trick, I'll tell you. Well my friend, this has now been installed, so now click on open. It is open. Well my friend, now I have changed my channel name from one step forward to Technoholic Pro, so please support me. Okay, and if you really like this video, then please click on the subscribe button and join in my family without any payment. Yes, without any payment. Well, now you have to click on the start from photo. Now it is asking for permission. Click on allow. Now you have to go to the location where you have saved the file. So I have saved my file in gallery called transparent. Let me go to that location called transfer. Yeah, this is the transparent folder. So these two files are there. So at first let me select this one. Now it is scanning. Done. But my friend, there is a trick, because see, photo room, that particular logo is there or the watermark is there. Okay, if you want to remove it, you have to pay. So what is the trick? The trick is, but my friend, this trick is very tricky but easy. You have to select the picture, you just click once. Now see, the blue border is there. Now just move upward this picture a bit. Okay, it is okay. Now you have to click on this export. But my friend, again I am telling you, do not skip, because there is a trick, like how do you remove that photo room, that particular thing. Now see, you have to pay in case you are going to remove, but without paying, I am telling you how you can remove that watermark. Okay, now it is saved to gallery. Now let me click on this back, go for the second picture. So again gallery, then album, and my pictures are there in transparent folder, this one. Now select this. See how much noisy backgrounds were there, right? Now it is cleared. Click on this. Now it is green bordered, blue bordered. Now just move upward and now click on this, export. Now save gallery. But my friend, before showing that particular trick, now let me show you whether these two pictures were actually HD, means my original one. Let me show you that my original pictures were HD or not. See, this is the picture, right, that I have basically, I was selected this one. See the details, see it is HD quality. Okay, see the pixel, this one, the picture is HD quality, right? This is HD quality, original picture. This one, now these two pictures are HD quality, and my output will also be HD quality. So let me show you that. This is HD quality, right? 1920 by 1080 pixel. Well, now click on back. Now I have to move to the location where these two files are saved, this photo room folder. So this photo room folder have now these two files. Click on this. Now my friend, this is the trick. Click on this crop. Click on this edit and then click on the crop. Now just crop this one. Yes, now done. If you want, you can crop from upward. Done. Finally click on save. Save. See, now no watermark and HD quality. But no, not I am telling you that HD quality. You please look at this. It is HD quality. See the details, right? The quality is HD. Any doubt? Obviously not. So this is one picture. Now the second one, the same way. Let me repeat. See, now the photo room, that watermark is there. Now click on edit. Click on crop. Then crop. Crop from upward also. So that's why maybe this side pixel will be decreased since I have cropped a bit. Now click on save. But the picture quality is HD, no doubt in that. Okay, just a minute, let me show you. The output is HD quality. See, 1920. So it is HD, right? So my friend, in this way you can crop. Not crop. In this way you can remove the background in a very simple way. So and also in HD format, not like remove.bg. Okay. So this is a very unique one, my friend. If you like this video, please click on the like button, and my friend, please click on the subscribe button. That is also totally free. Okay. And please be a member of my dear family. Have a nice day, my friend. Bye bye.